This is one of a few short sessions that's going to deliver 5 minutes of Tai Chi to you. So we're going to be moving our body in a low impact, gentle manner using the slow and controlled movements of Tai Chi and QiGong. 5 minutes of Tai Chi that you can follow along at home. Do remember to listen to your own body and keep all of these movements well within your comfort zone. Let's get started. Taking the feet hip width apart, starting in a parallel stance. Remember to ground your feet into the floor. Think about a neutral posture, lifting up through the crown and keeping all of your joints tension free. We're going to bring the hands up and hold our Chi ball and then relax. And again, inhale and exhale. So focus on the palms, they are our LiQWYD energy points. We want to create a connection between our mind and body. And like we're moving our hands through water, slow and controlled, and really feeling a natural resistance to the movement. We're going to take the hands up as if we're holding a ball up to the ceiling with a twist of the waist. And letting the eyes follow our ball, gazing out to the distance. Bring the hands into the hips as soft fists and punch forwards. So keeping the elbows soft, focusing on that punch. And then bringing the hands round and forming a fist about head width apart. Double punch. Taking the feet slightly wider, and I'm just going to turn the feet out slightly, bringing the ball up, and this time we're going to add a little knee bend, knees tracking in the direction of your toes, and still keeping our posture nice and tall. Calm breathing, inhale here, and exhale down. Keeping the body relaxed, keeping the mind relaxed too. Take our ball, and this time I'm just going to sway my body weight to the side, so enabling a twist to the side, following that ball, across to our empty stance. Pull the fist back in and the other side. Step to our bow stance as we make that double punch. One more on each side. Let's repeat everything. Inhale here and exhale down. Step across to our empty stance. Pull the fist back in and the other side. One more on each side. And down to the chi. Bringing it in. Lovely session today. Again, I hope you're feeling relaxed, and do remember to subscribe if you're enjoying the content on my channel. See you again at the next one.